Now, with Voices of St. Louis on KMOX, here's Debbie Monterey.
It's a Saturday night in South County, a crowd watching a football game. But what's different about this game? It's the St. Louis Slam, part of the WFA, Women's Football Alliance.
Full contact tackle football. So it's just same as NFL rules.
That's middle linebacker Kelly Coslin, who's been playing with the Slam for 10 years, since the team's inaugural season. Another 10-year vet is Marita Davis, known as Mert.
The national championship was absolutely just a dream come true. It was one of the most incredible experiences of my life.
What? National championship? Yes, in 2009.
We've all got essentially Super Bowl rings, and that was a pretty amazing experience.
Now that is really disappointing to think that St. Louis Slam won a national championship.
And you really didn't hear much about it. Yeah,
it.
Most people don't. Most people don't.
Now, when you tell guys that you play football, what's their reaction?
No, you don't. First, it's no, you don't. And then when they actually see me play, they're like, oh, that's hot. So. And then they say, oh, you guys actually hit, and you hit hard.
That's Melody Carr. She and Tiffany Williams-Buckley joined me on the sidelines at their practice one Wednesday night. What's Tiffany's favorite thing about playing football?
Tackling. I love to tackle.
Was that a surprise to you?
Yes, it was. Because I'm tall, skinny, and fast. And everyone, I think, expected me to be a wide receiver. But I could not catch very well my first season. So they put me on defense, and I learned that I was pretty strong and I could hit. So that's what I love to do.
But Tiffany's not alone. Mert remembers her first hit.
Oh, my God, it was incredible. So I think that's a lot of the girls on my team's theory. You know, once you get that first hit, that first tackle, it's a thrill like nothing else.
It's Saturday night at Oakville High School. St. Louis Slam versus the Kansas City Tribe. What do the fans in the stands think about the action?
The hitting is fantastic. These girls can lay some licks.
There's some good hitting out there. There's some surprisingly good hits. Makes it more interesting.
Amazing action. They should come out and watch it. It's definitely something different, something new, and it's a nice night.
The St. Louis Slam players are a dedicated bunch. Each player has to raise a lot of money each season, and no one makes any money at it, so they all have day jobs.
I'm an art teacher, elementary art teacher.
I'm a school teacher, too.
All right, what grade?
6th grade.
I work for Bissinger's Handcrafted Chocolatier. I'm the plant production manager, planner, and scheduler.
I'm a medical assistant for an orthopedic hand surgeon.
I'm an IT consultant. I deal with computer systems all day.
That's Quincy Davis, the Slam's head coach.
So computers all day, and then you coach women's football on your spare time.
Yep. Actually,
interesting transition.
Yeah.
So what do guys say to you when you tell them that you coach a women's football team?
They always ask, well, how is it coaching them? Because you can't yell at them like you do guys, and do they ask a bunch of silly questions and all that kind of stuff. We don't have egos to deal with as far as the women is concerned, because they haven't been playing football for years, or playing Pop Warner and thinking they're better than they really are.
And these are tough ladies, says Coach.
I played a season without an ACL in my left knee. I fractured, broken fingers is really nothing. You don't really even miss a practice if you break a finger or toe. But, fractured some bones, legs, and forearms and stuff like that. You just wrap it up and you keep on playing.
Emily Strong is in the weight room on crutches. She's out for the season.
6 months to a year.
Oh, but you still come to practice?
Yes.
And the games?
Yes. Yes, I'm here to support them. They're my family.
Not only that, Emily says the team has taught her a lot about herself.
I am a lot stronger than I ever gave myself credit for. And I'm a lot crazier than I thought I was. I never thought I would enjoy hitting people, but yeah, I can do a lot more than I ever thought I could.
The St. Louis Slam, Women's Football Alliance national champs in 2009. With Voices of St. Louis on KMOX, I'm Debbie Monterey.